वास्कोन डेंग्यूच्या केशींचे प्रमाण वाढत आसा. मात फाटल्या वर्सा काय ह्या वर्सा डेंग्यूच्यो केशी कमी आसात. मात मुरगांव पालिका केन्नाच रुटीन नितळसाण करना म्हण म्हायती डॉक्टर कोस्ता हांणी दिल्या. RDX गो खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
In this city, we get lot of cases of dengue and malaria. I am getting frequently. This year is a bit less than last year. I keep a registration book because when I read in the papers when the government officials are interviewed saying that there are dengue only 10 cases, malaria only 5 cases. Last year, as per my record, I saw 53 dengue cases. 53. I treated all 53. I didn't refer a single to GMC and all recovered. I didn't admit all also. Those only who couldn't swallow by mouth the fluid enough, I had to admit. Others no. So all recovered. But the question is no precautions are taken to avoid the spread of the disease. Municipality, I am living in this area of Vade for last 30 years. I pay my house tax every year. I never saw a single municipal employee coming and cleaning this area. Once or twice they did because I went to and spoke to the chief officer, then he sent someone to clean. But as routine, never they do anything. Just outside my clinic now only all the trees and wild herbs are there and lot of mosquito. We try to use people and we clean. I clean myself because I have to protect myself. When I see a patient come for a recovery checkup, I ask them, did someone from health office came or municipality to do any fogging or anything on your area? They said no, nothing. No one came. No one asked us also what we had, nothing. It's like that in Konkani. That's the way I get the response. So unless the municipality health officer will try to, but unless municipality helps the health officer is helpless to do anything. Because the fogging, cleaning the area belongs to municipality. The health officer maximum can do is recommend to municipality to do these things. And I think the health officer is doing that, but the municipality is not acting.